If you have ever been nervous about trying a plant growth regulator, this is going to be the video for you. I'm going to introduce you to a new product from the Andersons. Well, new to me, maybe not new to you. New to me, called Governor G. It is a granular style or granular of a plant growth regulator. Up until now, I didn't realize there was a granular. I was shopping on the Andersons website and saw it, and I was like, hey, what is that? So I picked up a bag, and I'm going to give it a try this weekend. But I thought I want to talk to you guys a little bit about plant growth regulators, kind of give you my thoughts. Why would we use them? What benefits does it provide for our lawn? So if you've ever thought about using it or intimidated by using it, I think you're really going to like this product. So I've always used the liquid, the T-Nex, that bottle that you can buy online that lasts for frickin' ever. And I'm going to show you mine, and you're going to know it kind of looks like crap. But nonetheless, why would we use a plant growth regulator, or what is a plant growth regulator to begin with? Well, I have experience using two different types. I used Anew, which is a plant growth regulator, and I've used T-Nex, or Trinexapac Ethyl. All right, so those are the two different types that I've used, both on my cool season lawn. And what they do is essentially slow down the growth of our grass. Now, you might ask a really good question: why in the world do I want to slow down the growth of my grass? And that's a very valid question. I've got a couple answers as to why you might want to do that. Number one, cool season lawns. We get two big growth surges, one in the spring and one in the fall. You look at a growth calendar, you see two big humps. And during those humps, sometimes we can't keep up with our mowing, okay? We have lives, we have jobs, we have kids, we have stuff going on in our lives, and a plant growth regulator is going to help kind of level off that growth. Another reason why we may want to use a plant growth regulator is for the overall health of the turf. When we slow down the growth of the turf, we're not mowing as much. Mowing grass is actually really stressful on our grass. And what happens is the grass actually backs up with chlorophyll, and it turns a beautiful green color. Your lawn will look freaking amazing, and you won't be mowing as much. So it sounds great. Another reason you may want to use a plant growth regulator is if you're going on vacation. If you know you're going to be gone for a week or two, maybe you're going to Europe or you're going to Florida or whatever, and you're going to be gone for a couple days or a week, using a plant growth regulator is going to help you so that you're not mowing. When you come back from vacation, your lawn is not just like completely overgrown and out of control. But I will caution you, you have to be very careful with a plant growth regulator because, and I've made this rookie mistake, if you apply too much, too heavy, or too often, you can really, really hurt your lawn. That's kind of why I'm so interested in this granular as opposed to a liquid, because when you apply a liquid, you have to go at what's called the half rate for the first application, because it actually does kind of sting or burn your grass a little bit. So the way you want to do it is that very first application. So for the T-Nex and the liquid, you want to go out at 1 ounce per 1,000. But for that very first application, we always want to go out at 1/2 ounce per 1,000. Then the subsequent applications after that, we can go out at that ounce per 1,000. But here's the kicker. For cool season lawns, now our warm season friends, our golf courses, like they use this on the golf course, they use this in the height of the summer, because just like we have the two humps, they have a big hump in the summer. And so these golf courses, to help kind of manage the amount of grass that they have to cut, they use plant growth regulators. But for us, for cool season lawns, once it gets hot, we have to stop using them. And we want to make sure that the product is completely out of the plant before the heat and humidity really set in. So why is that? And it has to do with fungus, because sometimes the fungal activity, we want to be able to push that fungus out of the grass. And if it's not growing, you're going to really create a problem for yourself when it comes to fungus. All right, so let me flip the camera around. I'm going to show you the bag, show you the bottle, my dingy bottle of T-Nex, and we'll keep talking about it. I can't wait to show you this. All right, so I told you guys this was dingy. I've had this bottle for about 3 or 4 years now, and that's kind of one of the drawbacks with this T-Nex is even with a 20,000 square foot lawn, you still just don't use this a lot. 1 ounce per 1,000, use it maybe 2 or 3 times during the season, maybe once or twice in the spring, once or twice in the fall. Oh, and that reminds me, another great reason to use a plant growth regulator is when you are seeding your turf. So imagine in the fall time, you've got established grass, right? And you're overseeding. You could put down a plant growth regulator on the existing grass, get it in before you seed. And that way your lawn isn't way overgrown before your seed comes up. So that's a third reason why you would want to use a plant growth regulator. But this is what I'm used to. This is the liquid. Of course, if you want to continue to use liquid, I guess that would be fine. This is what most people are using. But this is the product that I found from the Andersons called Governor G. And I was just looking at the instruction or the directions on the bag, and they do a really good job. So here is what I was talking about, the 2 humps you can see. So right in this green area right here, this is where we don't want to apply. These are our warm season friends right here. But all the directions are on here. It's super simple. You want to apply this at about 5 pounds per 1,000. Now here's the deal. You do not want to water this in, okay? Do not water this in. You're going to apply it. You're going to make sure your lawn is good and fertile, okay? Make sure you've got good vigorous growth in your lawn. But we do not want to water it in. And then after 3 or 4 days, once this has been on the lawn, you're going to notice a significant reduction in the amount of growth in your grass. And that's probably going to last about 4 weeks. And then what you want to do is before the grass starts to then start spiking its growth again, if you wanted to apply this again, maybe last it another 4 weeks, you would just apply this product again. So you could get up to 8 weeks coverage, if you know what I'm saying, when you apply this. And that's what I always did with the liquid. So right before the grass kind of came out of its restriction, I would then apply some more. So the first would be a 1/2 ounce per 1,000. I'd wait about 2 or 3 weeks, and then I'd apply this again at a full rate, and it would last a full 4 weeks. And it is amazing, guys. If you've never used a plant growth regulator, they're phenomenal. And it's amazing how what it does to the overall health and visual appearance of your turf, and you're just not mowing to death. So before I let you go, I just want to reiterate, make sure you read and understand this label before you apply it. There are some use restrictions here. We don't want to mow 24 hours after you apply it. You don't want to mow 4 hours before. Again, just make sure you read and understand the directions. It's not anything hard. It's not anything that you can't do. I just wanted to show you guys this product in hopes that you understand that you have a tool available to you if you need it. Again, we talked about some of the different advantages during seeding time, during peak growth times, during a vacation. We're all getting ready to go on vacation, maybe spring break, or at the end of summer. But just make sure you understand the instructions. Don't apply this when your lawn is under stress, big time. Do not apply this under stress. Just make sure your lawn is healthy, but great product. I'm so excited to try this and throw this down. I'll leave a link down below where you guys can go check this out if you want to see pricing and all that good stuff. So anyway, that does it for the video. Thank you so much for checking it out. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.